Hello everyone, welcome back to CKS series. Today I give you small update related to my CKS questions docs. Now I optimized the setup scenario like now it is compatible with the KillerKoda also. Now you don't need to create any infra on AWS and set up Kubelet cluster on that. You just bring up a new cluster on KillerKoda and you can practice all the 16 questions in one go. So these are the latest CKS exam questions. Currently there is no changes in the exam in the questions. If there is any changes, I keep update these questions accordingly. Now let's see how you practice on the KillerKoda quickly. So let's bring a new cluster here. Now you can create a KillerKoda account. They give you free Kubernetes clusters for you. Now I bring up this latest Kubernetes cluster, which is 1.35 version. They give you one control plane and worker node for the time range 60 minutes. So you can practice all 16 scenarios in one go. If the time is completed, you can create another cluster. Okay, now let's see how you can practice the questions here. Now the first question I already discuss the question, so I don't want to discuss again here. So we can quickly set up the scenario for the first question. Now I just copy the script and I will create one file here, setup.sh. Now after I give you the execute permission here and then I run the script. Once this is done, we have to fix the solution, and the scripts you can run irrespective of the how many times you run. It always means to set up the problem statement. If you are not satisfied with the solution, you have to repractice again. If you don't have confidence, so you can rerun the script. So once set up the practice scenario, you have to practice the solution here. I gave you the clear document, but always try to use the Kubernetes docs for practice the set up the problem, clear the solution. Okay, let's open this one. What and all we have to change, I already gave you. First we have to disable anonymous auth here, and wherever possible we have to enable webhook configuration. Once it is done, you have to update the etcd configuration also. Client set auth you have to change it to true. These two changes you have to do. Now once it is done, we have to reload the system components. You just have to sometimes, if you don't want to wait, you can quickly bring up CRACTL PS. You have to grab web API server. If you see, you have to stop this one. CRACTL stop. Wait, now it is. If you see, that's how you have to set up the practice scenario and fix the problem statement. Now if you want to rerun the same, if you want to repractice the same question, again rerun. So irrespective of the how many times you run, it always means to set up the problem statement. Let's wait for here. Now after completing the, you have to move to another question. Now you have to, there is one more script here, restore cluster state. It will bring your cluster at the beginning state, so it will not mess up with the another problem. That's why I added this script here. Reset.sh. I have to give the permission here, ch not, and then execute the question. Now once it is done, let's practice another question here. Which one I have to discuss? Istio also you can run here. This one also you can play all. I tested all the questions. Let's wait for this one. Now it is up and running your cluster. Now if I want to another question, just remove this one, or you can create with another name of the script. Now again I will create this Istio question script here. Now I just want to give the again executable permission and run the script. It will do everything. It will install Istio, everything. Once the problem statement set up, you have to practice the solution here. In the exam, they give you the Istio documentation. Using the documentation, you can fix the solution. Let's copy before. Let's wait here. Setups. The script is still running. It takes some time because it set up Istio everything. So you know already this question, you have to label the namespace, then it will inject the sidecar container. It is not inject, you have to restart the all deployments in that namespace, then it will start injecting the sidecar container. Once it is done, you have to create one resource here, peer authentication. In the Istio doc you can set up. I will show you exactly where you have to go. If you see here, after they give you direct document here, where it is documentation, in that you have to go here, operation references configuration, I think. Let's drop out this thing here in the security. This one you have to create an exam. Now practice scenario ready. If you observe here, Istio is installed on this namespace and our example application Istio example. Okay, in exam this namespace might be changed. Only the namespace name will be the change, and deployment names here I gave in Instagram tender here now one by one. Now in the solution I clearly gave you. First you have to label the namespace here, and then you have to restart the kubectl. Now rollout restart deploy Istio example. Now it will. Now if you observe, there is 2x2 containers coming, one sidecar container inject. Next you have to create the peer authentication. Just copy this one and create one file here. That's it. This question is complete. We can move to another question. Before moving another question, you have to run this restore clusters this script. If you want to repractice the same question, you can rerun again same. Let me show you. If I rerun this one again, practice scenario setup, how can I say that thing? If you check here again, it will come one by one. Okay, before it was 2x2, it is removed. The label also removed. You can repractice again. That's all about this video. I tested all the docs here. So if you want, you can reach out my Telegram channel. That's all about that. Thanks for watching the video.